All right, hello my friends. This is Summer Siegel. I am following up with my shirt tutorial on using SnapMat, but you can watch me put the shirt together now. I have my Easy Press set to 305 because the material I used was Easyweed Stretch by Siser. Okay. So I'm going to make my horizontal and vertical markings, folds, so I can see my marks. So there's one. This is a child's shirt size 6'7" for a Lego loving little boy who has a birthday. So if you're like me and you got your Cricut because you wanted to be able to make your own shirts or make your own gifts or things, because I mean we all love Etsy, don't get us wrong, but sometimes when you get an idea or you want something done, you want it done then and there. I'm going to do this one more time because I can't quite see and I really need that horizontal line for this project. All right, so here we go. I have my vertical and horizontal lines. Now also for a child's shirt, I do 2 inches from the top of the collar for a regular t-shirt. For this one, I'm going to take my longest word. So if you didn't see it before, here we go. It's going to be eat, sleep, build, repeat. Repeat is my longest word, so that's where I'm going to find the center of my design. So that way I can tell between the P and the E. That's where I'm going to make sure that my horizontal line matches up with that. And then everything else I will align it, justify it on the left-hand side. Okay. So let's see if we can fortuitously get this done on the first shot. Doubtful. Yeah, that's definitely not 2 inches from the top. But if you have a shirt where it's too low down, it's going to look odd that it's not high enough. So here's my 2 inches. I'm going to just move up my top design to 2 inches. And then I'll just move up the rest. Shirt is still a little bit warm, so that's a good thing. And I'm going to keep my middle still there. Okay. So this is a firm press for 15 seconds. Really don't want to do much longer than that. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I might do it in 2 sections just because I like to give a lot of pressure. Sometimes I like to even stand on mine, because there's only so much muscle strength I have. Sometimes I use the floor and I stand on my heat press. Isn't that lovely? That's 15 seconds on top and bottom. Give it a good rub so that I can get rid of some of my lines that I have from my heat press. Okay, this is a warm or cold peel. I really like working with Easyweed Stretch because it has a matte look to it, kind of in between matte and glossy, or regular typical HTV vinyl has a glossy look to it. So I can see the fabric texture underneath coming through my vinyl, so I know I did it right. So just want to be sure that I get all the edges because we would hate for this to come apart on us. So I'll just give it a quick little push down for a couple more seconds. Try to get rid of some of these lines since it is a gift. Eat, sleep, build, repeat. Every Lego lover's mantra. And there it is. I'm just going to go ahead and iron the bottom of this. And we are done.